but I'll never give up. I'll follow her. Oh, very true. I'll follow both of you. Check the rocks. Check these rocks. Check the weather and the boss. Okay. Don't know where she's going. And the boss is following us. I think she's only enjoying. I'm tired. Where are you going again? Okay. 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 So here we are on the top of the mountain. Yes. Check this moment. So beautiful. Oh. Okay, now still going. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Did you find anything? Okay. Now boss is leading. No. Still she crossed the boss. It is really hard to follow this. Oh. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh no. Where you came? Relaxation time. No, still going. Okay. Nothing. Here is the boss. Okay. Now, where we will go? Okay, follow her. Follow her. I don't know. What are they looking for? I need to just follow them. Okay. 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 Oof. Need to follow them. That's it. I don't have any other option. Oh God. Okay. Where are you going? Ooh, no. Where we came? Check. No. No. She want to go down? No. I will not go. I will not. Oh, hello. Why you are not stopping? Okay. Let's follow her. What are you looking for? See? Huh? What is this? Check the height. And she's here. But still I need to follow her. Where are you going? Where? Oh God. Oh. Oh God. This is the ultimate problem. Okay. What next? What next? Still need to go down. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Then. Okay. Let's go. Where are you going? Check from where she's going. Oh, how can I go there? They have gone to, but now okay, I am following them. Okay. Oh bosses, where are you going? You both are drama, really crazy. This is a horrible chase, but I'll never give up. I'll follow her. Oh, God. Shit. Oh God. Oh God. Tell me what happened now. Okay. Now rest time, okay? No? Please take rest. Oh God. Oh. What? Boss? What could we do? Okay, let's try to follow her. Oh God. Wait. Oh shit. How can I go down from here? Still, she's searching. But I need to jump from here. Okay. Okay. Did you find anything? Okay. Did you find anything? Don't go there. Don't go. Don't go. Okay. Now very true. I'll follow both of you. Check the rocks. Check these rocks. And they are going from there. Oh God. How can I reach them? Oof. Oh. Oh no, they are very far. I'm tired. Oh, how could I reach them? Oh no. Oh. I think that's enough from my side. I am failed to chase them. I don't know where they go.